so share attention TV kwantwa na mesimedwe na mefa akwanya wesu ama ahwefo ne atiefo nyina happy Easter say Yankopon obo ade aboye ho ba ma ahwe asan beto ye bi yeda na sepa na arahusam bi ekoso Ghana krom anu odin emre bi etwa mu ye betu eye light of ye friend Dumsor obi asi Dumsor mama Dumsor eye omanpene ekufado ebe hye ye bo ehye ye nkran se sa Dumsor ne nyina wo ba wo betwam nanso antimi anye adwuma saa fimfim Dumsor na sama no homne so we die ne ekeka kono anu ordinary wo ma si wo Tema General Hospital kakraka ekundafo epie mu kodjo ma yarehwe wo ho enkola ward no ensem afi oba ne se enkola ne wuwu edi enti na enkola ne wuwu eyarehosem light of na adults and say Dumsor na adults no enkola ne bi ewo Oxygyen so ebi wo ho amodan kubetem ne ade ni nyina ye nkane ano ne ma support o mo munya ahoden na amanebo efi wo aba ne se enkola no sabri wo mo hwere wo mo nkwa ebi we yarehosem obi wo kra wo mfa fruda this the first time o de nya e bato ne na so akopiem ayaresabia na sakola we free ma o man peni me so say ye bibi kakra fa we anu enya nti ye celebrities ne bi edom ho agima ye nua be ma keche ne buafu pa no so atwe camera abesi nanim ebo ebubuo ewo social media ne so ma ye nkoko tie keche mra sisia.
Hey, I see something online right now week. For my brother in page, Big Girls bro, Ghana Niger update. A whole Tema General Hospital, they give light out, no generator. Hey, a shock. Wake kiddies, newborn babies, with a day on oxygen centers, they are dying. Light out, no generator, a whole Tema General Hospital. Until you be operational, but me have me. Hey, a shock. So what is this? So who is in charge? Like people to the company, they pay money, so they can't just have some generator with this some corner way operation cost no light out automatic. Like hey. This country will be jokers.
Yama light of what Tema General says here. Baby way or the C part so there's oxygen but no flow meter to connect. This baby is on C part. There's no light to connect off. No flow meter to even connect with the oxygen. If we don't get light in few minutes, probability that we might lose a lot of babies is high. Tema General Niku, the whole world is full. No CPAP, no lights. Everywhere is off. Everywhere is off. Babies are in data. This baby is not fine. CPAP is off. No light to connect. No flow meter to connect to the oxygen. There's oxygen but no flow meter. Tema General.
Monaguchi Susu de Nanuatum or say ECG boss, I have a lot to tell you, but I won't because my emotions would definitely let me cross your boundaries. These babies are battling for their lives at the Tema General Hospital because your institution refused to consider that a hospital needs 24/7 electricity no matter the situation. When we lament, you tell us on national TV that having access to electricity is a privilege. You shall and you will reap what you sow. And you know kwa Kevin Taylor also a postie. Yes, at Tema General Hospital video. To be so no ankasa no beba live special no be to my Tema General Hospital pa. For now the postie wankahwe otumo se ene yayi Ghana fo bibre na na de o ma no etum aweho omo se a whole Tema General Hospital and you can't fuel your own plant. Yes, we all know how incompetent this government is, and that should be enough reason to always have a backup plan for it. Oh, I same way the arrow papa. Fear brandy your friend Dre or no, and a trace and same way. Social media so dear chese and yasam ketu so if you are brandy your friend SL or say Tema General Hospital is too big to let little kids suffer from Dumsor. What is this, Charlie? Arahuye pa. We so every 2:30 or say there's oxygen but no electricity to help get it to babies in incubators at Tema General Hospital. If Ghana is not a jungle, then I don't know what it is. We don't say Ghana ye phone pa said ye Trini Jonas Okano Arahuye pa say a big hospital like this and more frank 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. Omo be free mu because of Dumsor and no generator or plant. Oh my Ghana.
Tema ne mpotem we na enei tanya wokotema General Hospital and wadi tu dwa se enura asawo ba kwada ketu ayede wo no wo se nuro ni bi yesi efre ne 6 killer disease and ye kan tete no ni ade tonwom ni abobo yare na di frere ya emizese ni abobo yade bebre
enuro ne 6 killer disease who's in enuro ne 6 killer disease
di frere ya mizese ena ba ku ye kan hu yade bebre emayi nim na sa yade no
whooping cough
ege whooping nye whooping who ka who nye u
o da yanko
phonetics ba ko so na kumidi aka hu no wati a ema na hu ahu sa kwa we wonyade wonko we yi na yesi se nnuro ye na Tema General Hospital ba kokora ni ho enura wose ye de won kwada mpane ye wose ye de won kwada no yesi bi ni ho etu nya kwa wu sepe na nurse fo na ka kire maame fa ba ne kofie eduro na bi ni ho maame fa ba no fa ne kofie eduro na bi ba ye befrewo na matan yi bi na ya wo bo no mo si say ama wo kwa hospital wo adwuma kora wo nya bi o mo tete ho se wo ba wuwie ye pepa akwada no ho se wo nya de ne e be yudi a enya afa na wo be ha no ho enti wo te ho na wagya akwan na akọ mo se mo adwuma eso ati na emom ne e koso ne nye
Ebi no aka chom so mo ebi no. And they don't say the measles outbreak. There's this thing will still be on now. I can polio baba. That's what we so yeah, na say they not anybody. They are not doing. I see you are more cancel mothers no more come. You cancel them, they go. They shouldn't expose the babies to people. They should be in the room. Mommy 24/7 surveillance. What's the name? And you go call a vaccine.
Ekwe ntwa na meso mo ndewie makra.